Now, if you're a farmer in Australia, you may have come across Jarrett Implements before, and today we're here in the warehouse seeing where it goes from raw steel right up to finished product. I'm Christy, this is Big Review TV. Now, if you're looking for any sort of farming machinery, jump onto jarrett.net.au to find some of their retail outlets where you can get the guaranteed fantastic products that is Jarrett Implements. I'm Christy, this is Big Review TV.